Okay, let's start rationalizing your math exam drill. So let's go over with number 1. Rachel got 71 in the diagnostic examination and 93 in the post-test. What kind of numbers are the scores of Rachel below? So as you can see, all the options po are possible answers. The problem is we need to choose only one in the board exam. So here you are going to choose the most specific one that will become the best answer. So when we talk about the most specific, siya po yung pinaka-subset sa lahat ng mga numbers meron tayo dito. So, in our real number system, pinakauna po, the biggest set would be real number. Then, under that is andyan po si rational number. And under rational number, andyan po si integers. Then, we have also whole number. Under sa whole number po, andyan si natural number. Then, natural number can be add at saka even number. So, ngayon, the given are 71 and 93. So if you're going to ask yourself, 71 and 93 ba are both rational number? Yes, pwede yung sagot. Is it also an integer? Yes. Whole number? Pwede. Natural number? Yes. But here, hindi siya pwede maging even number. Only we can choose odd number. So among the following po, lahat is possible sagot. The problem po, ano yung pinaka-subset o pinaka-specific na answer, that would be the best answer. As you can see here, we have odd number as our answer. So this number 1 is letter C. And reminders, take note sa integers po na meron tayong negative dyan, positive at saka si 0. Kung sabihan mong whole number lang, 0 at saka si positive. Kung sabihin mo natural number po, these are the positive numbers lang. Number 2 na. Which of the following, non-repeating and non-terminating decimals are likely called? So, we are given dito po, repeating at saka terminating decimals. Take note, sa decimals po, there are 4 kinds. No? Meron tinatawag na repeating at saka terminating, at the other one is non-terminating at saka non-repeating. So kapag sabing repeating at saka terminating po, that is under sa rational number. Now, since a given po is meron to negative word na non-terminating at saka non-repeating, that means to say, dapat ang sagot mo is non-rational. So non-rational, that means to say, that is what? Irrational number. So the option for this item is letter A. Irrational numbers. Now, for number 3, which of the following numbers cannot be expressed as a terminating or repeating decimal? So again, you are asked po repeating at saka terminating. But then again, ginamit po dito is the word cannot. So, ibig sabihin po, you do the other way around. Not terminating at saka not repeating. So, let's talk about letter A. Letter A po is 17 over 11. So, 17 over 11 po sa fraction. Specifically po, an improper fraction. So, pag fraction, automatic under po yan sa rational because it can be formed into ratio of 17 is to 11. How about letter C, sir? Negative 1 and 1 half. Negative 1 and 1 half po sa negative mixed fraction. Under din po yan sa fraction. That means to say that is also a rational number. How about letter D, sir? Letter D is square root of 49. At magkano po yan? Simplified mo, that is 7. 7 po is part sa natural number, where in fact, part sa whole number. Part din po yan sa integer at rational number. So, ibig sabihin po, the only answer we are left po is letter B, pi. Bakit si pi? Because pi po is a decimal number that comes with non-repeating digits at saka non-terminating digits. So, siya po is irrational numbers. The answer is letter B, pi. Now, let's go to number 4. Set A is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, so on and so forth. What is the best set of numbers that describe set A? So, if you're going to answer counting, bravo, yan po yung pinakamali sa lahat. Remember, counting po, you always start with 1. Counting po, walang 0 dyan at wala pong negative dyan. So therefore, mali po si Bravo. And since counting is mathematically termed as natural number, so both Bravo and Charlie po are incorrect answers. Eliminate mo na yan. So we're only left with alpha and delta. So alpha po is integers, delta is whole number. So between the two, sino yung mas sagot? Remember, the question is asked po best set. So, kapag sabing best set po, ang sabi ko kanina, that should be specific. Specific po, that is the most subset. So, between the two, sino po yung mas subset? Integers ba o whole number? This item po, the answer is delta, whole number. Bakit, sir? Whole number po comprises only the 0 at saka si positive. While si integers po comprises negative, positive, at saka si 0. So, mas specific po si whole number. So, the answer is delta. Number 5. The following are non-integral numbers except. So, medyo tricky po yung question natin. Bakit, sir? Gumagamit po siya ng double negative word. So, careful po kayo sa redundancy na ito. So, take note. the root word is integral. So kapag sabing integral po, this can be whole number, natural number. This could be odd or even. But since ginamit in the word is non-integral, expect po this could be fraction or this could be decimals. But the problem again, gumamit ulit siya ng word na except. So ibig sabihin po, negative at saka negative, i-combine mo yun. Dapat po ang sagot magiging positive. So ibig sabihin po, babalik po tayo doon sa question na integral lang because this except negates this word na non. So ang gamitin mo lang po is yung word na integral. So among the following, sino po dyan ang integral po or integers? Proper, improper, mali. Repeating and repeating, mali. The answer po dito is letter C, odd at saka C, even numbers. Now, let's go to number 6. What is the sum of the first 5 prime numbers? Again, recall, prime numbers are those numbers na kung saan po has factors only 1 at saka itself. Stick to po siya, stick to one person po. Walang iba, only 1 at yung sarili po niya. So, kapag sabing prime numbers po, ang pinakauna dito would be 2. Then, add mo by 3. Next prime number is 5. Sunod, 7. And lastly would be 11. So, sabi dito, you're going to get the sum. So, the sum of the 5 is equal to 28. So, the answer for this option, question is letter D, 28. Number 7. Which of this number is prime? So, again po, prime numbers yung tanong. So, among the following po, sino po ba dyan ang prime? Remember, prime numbers po, sino makadivide sa kanya? Has only 2 factors. At sino factors na iyon? That is only 1 at saka yung sarili po niya. Factors again is the same thing with the word divisors. We're going to look at it po kung sino po dyan ang prime number. The problem is malaki yung number given. No? So the technique would be ganito. Please take note of this one. Sa board examination po, wala kayong calculator kasi. But you may use divisibility rules dito. So example, 1191. Whatever given number, i-divide mo yan sa mga prime number din. Kung ang result po is divisible siya, composite yan. Pero kung ang result is always not divisible, no, ang result po niyan is prime. Hindi ko gets yan. O, sampulan natin ha. Letter A tayo. 1191. 1191, i-divide mo siya by 2. Divisible ba siya? Hindi. Kasi sabi ni rule number 2, dapat ang last digit po is even number. Ang last digit po dyan is 1. So, prime number po ang i-divide mo. 2 po yung mauna. So, that, hindi siya divisible. 3. 1191, divisible ba siya by 3? Paano malaman divisible siya by 3? You add all the digits. 1 plus 1 plus 9 plus 1, that would be equal to 12. Si 12 po ba is divisible by 3? Yes. So, therefore po, that number is divisible by 3. Therefore po, that number is what? Composite. Yan. How about letter B? 2125. O, 2. Divisible ba siya by 2? Hindi. By 3. 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 5. That is equal to 10. Si 10 po ba is divisible by 3? No. So, di siya divisible by 3. How about by 5? Again, prime number po yan sila. Prime number po yung i-divide mo. Ends po with 5. So, divisible yan by 5. So, therefore, pwede siya by 5. So, divisible po siya. Pag divisible po, that is opposite. How about letter C? 1 to 30. 1 to 30 po is divisible ba siya by 2? Yes, because ang ending niya is 0 and 0 is part of even number. So, therefore, divisible po siya. So, kung divisible po siya, that is what? Composite pa rin. How about sa delta? Delta po, 1313. Divisible yan by 13. No? Kasi 13 po, ang result po niyan is 101, 101. So, divisible po siya. So, lahat po dyan are composite. Now, the problem with this number is lahat po ng options are pwede tamang sagot. So, we will reject this item. At sa board exam po, you can never decide if ever may ma-reject o wala. It's only PRC yung decision na yan. So this time, if ever mangyari po ito sa board examination, you need to choose an answer talaga. Never pong blanco dapat yung answer sheet ninyo. So dito po, since lahat ng tamang sagot, choose the first correct answer po. Yung pinakaunang option sa lahat ng tamang sagot. And that would be alpha, 1191. Okay, number 8. How many zero digits are there in the number 704,003? First, you need to input that number, 704,003. So, ilang digits po dyan ang meron tayo na 0? That would be 3. So, the answer for this item is letter Charlie. Okay, for number 9. My favorite number has 8 digits. The millions, thousands, and ones are all 8. What is the largest possible value of this numeral? So, take note, you are given 2, clue. Una is largest possible. So therefore, sa option po, unahin mo yung pinakamalaki sa lahat, no? At you will do trial and error. But take note po, meron tayong condition. The millions, thousands, and ones are 8. So, ang ones po, dapat 8. So, si ones, dapat 8 po yan. Tens, hundreds, thousands, ito po, dapat 8 din yan. 10,000, 100,000, millions. Dapat po 8 din po dyan. So, among the following option po, sino po dyan ang nag-follow sa ganyang klaseng setup? So, if we're going to look at letter A, mali po sa letter A. Bakit, sir? Ang kanyang thousands place po is 2. So, mali po sa letter A. Mali po sa letter B. Bakit, sir? Ang kanyang thousands po is also 2. Letter C po is pwede. Letter D po is pwede din. But among the two, Charlie at saka Delta, sino po yung mas larger? Therefore, the answer is Charlie, 48,328,108. Number 10 po, round off this number to the nearest centavo. And the given number is 10 and 963 thousandths. So the problem po, we are all aware na yung place value natin is thousands, hundreds, tenths, thousandths, ganun. The problem po dito, ang challenge dito is centavo yung given. So we need to interpret first ano bang ibig sabihin ng centavo sa mga place value na meron tayo. So kailangan mo na malaman yan before we can answer. So kapag sabing centavo, that is a decimal number. 50 centavo, 75 centavo. So it's not a whole number. So kapag sabing decimal number po, it comes with the H dapat. Dapat yung sagot na place value dito, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, so on and so forth. From the word century. So ilang years ba yung century mismo? That is 100 years. So combining these two, dapat po ang centavo, ang interpretation natin yan, that is 100. So therefore po, centavo pala is 100. O ngayon, other way of analyzing it also, from the word itself, 50 centavo. 50 centavo is just equal to 0.50. Tama? Kung basahin mo yun ng tama, this is tenths, this is hundreds. So basahin mo yun ng tama, that's 50 hundredths. So therefore, centavo talaga po means to say 100. So we have now the place value, so we can round it off na. So given 10 and 963. O sinong actor dyan? Hundreds place dyan. Ito si tens, hundreds, thousands. So ang actor is si 6. So ano ba yung supporting actor niya? Yung right hand niya. O sino right hand po niya dyan? Si 3. So si 3 po ba is tutulong sa kanya maka-award siya o hindi? Yes, so the problem po, 3 is less than 5. So kapag less than 5 po, that is bring down tayo. So we can never add 1 po dun sa place value na 6. So 10 and 96. At saan mag-start? Mag-change ng 0? Doon po always supporting actor, which is 0. Or just equivalent to 10 and 96. So the answer for this item is letter delta. Number 11. Which is the least number which when rounded off the nearest hundredth becomes 18 and 25 hundredths. So again po, we are asked to choose among the options kung sino po yung i-round off mo dyan sa 100 at magiging result po is 18 and 25 hundredths. Now, the clue word is kailangan nyo malaman po least. So, you will do trial and error. The problem with trial and error po, some of you would start with letter A, tapos letter B. Kung malis letter B, letter C. So, you do it po in that order. The problem po is hindi po yan always safe. Bakit? Example, letter A yung pinili mo. Una, itry mo siya. 18.2422. Sabi po, i-round off sa nearest 100. So, kapag 100 po, sinong place value dyan ng actor na iyan? That is 4. O, sinong supporting actor niya? Si 2. So, round down tayo. So, magiging 18 and 24. So, mali. Bakit, sir? Ang hanap po is 18 and 25 hundredths. How about letter B? So, letter B po is 18 and 251 thousandths. O, sinong hundredths place niya? Actor niya, si 5. Sinong supporting actor? Si 1. Round up, round down. That is less than 5. So, round down tayo. So, magiging equal to 18 and 25. So, in this case po, you would tempted to choose letter B. Bakit? Sir, kasi tama na yung hinahanap mo, 18 and 25. The problem po, hindi yan tamang sagot. So, yun ang problema po, if ever you are going to do trial and error, always po na magsimula sa letter A. No. Since ginamit po sa question list, doon ka magsimula sa pinakamaliit na number para maiwasan mo yung patibong. So, among the options, sino bang pinakamaliit dyan? Delta. Si Delta po is 18 and 201. O, sino yung actor niya? Si 2. Sino supporting actor niya? Si 0. Round up, round down, kasi less than 5 yan. So, therefore, magiging 18.220 or just 18.2. So, ibig sabihin po, mali yan kasi ang kailangan mo 18 and 25. Now, since mali po si delta, ang pinakamaliit, proceed sa pinakasunod na pinakamaliit. O, sino yun? That would be alpha. O, by trial po, mali si alpha din. O, sunod na pinakamaliit, that would be Charlie. So, si Charlie po is 18 and 2, 4, 9. O, sino actor dyan? Si 4. O, sino supporting actor dyan? Si 9. O, si 9 po greater than 5. So, round up tayo. So, saan mag-award? That would be sa 4. So, equal to 18 and 2, 5. So, the 9 will be changed to 0 or just equal to 18 and 25. So, between Bravo and Charlie, mas tamang sagot po si Charlie. Bakit, sir? Mas lesser po siya compare kay Bravo. So, yun ang technique po na kailangan malaman nyo po in answering exam. Yun na kailangan mo maghanap ng context clue. Context clue is a clue to the correct answer. Tutulungan sa iyo mahanap ang tamang sagot. Because in board exam po, maraming tricky question. Akala mo tama, yan. Akala mo lang yun. At hindi pala. So, again, by trial and error, if we're going to sequence it orderly po by A, by B, by C, by D, and that order po, mali yung sagot mo. Kasi po ito yung mahanap mo na answer. So do you think po if ever tama ka dito, do you think mag-try ka pa sa letter C? Hindi na. But we're going to use list po, malalaman natin na kung saan pala, sa letter C pa lang, tama tayo. So therefore, we don't need to try anymore letter B, which is si Patibong. So in that case po, naiwasan natin si Patibong mismo. So by using that kind of strategy. Let's go to number 12. For 4 years, Maria earned a total of this amount. In the next 2 years, she also earned this amount. How much is Maria's total earning for 6 years? So from the word given po na total earning, so kailangan natin makuha yung sum. So ang sum po ng 849,678. And the second po is 618,219. So you need to get the sum. So in this case po, ang sagot mo dito is hindi yung number figure but yung number sentence mismo. At if you're going to answer is i-add mo yan po, that would need to say 1,467,897. Among the option po, sino po yung pinakatama dyan? So again, if we're going to convert that one into sentence form, 1 million, dapat capital letters po yung mauna kasi sentence po yan. Tapos, comma po tayo, 400. Okay? So, when you talk about digit at place value, wala pong dash yan. Take note ha, wala pong dash yan. Pero kung sabihin natin digit and digit, example, 467, 67, so that is digit after digit, kailangan mo lagyan ng dash yan. The place value which is 1,000, then comma again, 800 po is a place value, so walang dash yan. 90-7. And huwag kalimutan yung period mismo. So, among the following, sino po yung pinakatama? That would be letter A, alpha. Now, let's go to number 13. Marife bought a rice cooker worth 1,432. Which of the following could have been her change if she gave the cashier 1,500? So, simple mathematics po. Bakit, sir? Pera mo is 1,500. Ang presyo ng rice cooker is only 1,432. So, paano malaman yung change mo? You need to get the difference o i-minus natin yan. So, i-minus natin yan, the answer would be 68. So, the problem dito, hindi yung number figure again. But ang concern dito po is yung composition ng sukli mo. So, una, 68 can be composed of isang 50 peso na bill. Papel po yan. One bill of 18 pesos. Letter A, mali. Kasi wala pong bill po or papel na pera po na 18 pesos ang value. So, letter A is mali na. Okay, how about letter B? One bill of 50 pesos and one bill of 10 pesos pwede. Pero, wala po tayong coin na 8 peso ang value. So, mali din po si Bravo. Letter C, 1 bill of 50 pesos, 1 bill of 10 pesos, 5 peso coin, and 3 peso coin. So, ang 8 po hinati sa dalawa, 5 peso coin and 3 peso coin. But wala po tayong coin po na 3 peso ang value. So, sir, kailangan ba, sir, necessary, sir, ma-follow doon sa by pesos at saka sa currency natin? Yes, because we are talking about PRC, and PRC stands for Philippine Regulation Commission. So dapat Philippine peso po i-consider dito. So the answer would be delta. Isang 50, isang 10 pesos po at isang 5 peso coin at tatlong tagmamiso. Charlie is mali, delta is the correct answer. Number 14. Given the numerals 9275, what is the difference between the largest and the smallest 3-digit numbers that can be formed from these numerals if no digit is repeated in a number? So take note, ang sitwasyon po is binigyan kayo ng 4 na numero, and these are 9, 2, 7, and 5. Kailangan mo i-compose lang into 3 digits. Dapat 3 lang. No? At dapat yung 3 digit na yan, this should be the largest at yung isa po is the smallest. Okay? And after makuha mo yung dalawa po is you need to get the difference. Bakit, sir? Ang sabi kasi dito, what is the difference between the two numbers? So, kasi pag largest, take common sense po. Asa ka magsimula? If ever largest, 9. Followed by 7. Next, 5. Kung sabing smallest po, that would be 2. Followed by 5. Next, 7. Isabi niya difference, ipag-minus natin yan. And the answer for this item is 718. So the answer is letter delta. Okay, number 15. 15, what is the sum? So you need to get the sum. So i-add mo lahat yan. Now, when you add po, alam ko, you're going to add like this na i-add mo lahat ng mga digits. But no, you start from the ones. Tapos tingnan mo, i-check mo siya by option po. If ever po, sino dyan ang hindi po tugma doon sa last digit, eliminate mo kaagad. Example, ha? So start with the last digit. So 6 plus 2 plus 5 plus 0, that is 13. So carry 1. So, sino po yung 3 ang din dyan? Lahat. Okay. Proceed tayo. 5 plus 6, 7, 9. So, sino po yung sunod na 9? Eliminate alpha, eliminate delta. So, we're only left with Bravo and Charlie. So, 9 plus 9, that is 18, 21, 27. So, carry 2. So, sino pong 7? Pareho ang dalawa. Next, 8, that is 15. So, next po is 15. So, both Bravo and Charlie is 5 po yung sunod. Then, 10, 9, 14, 16, plus 4, that is 20. So, dapat po 0 ang sunod. So, both Bravo and Charlie again is 0. So, pagtsagaan natin, 4, 7, 8, plus 9, that is 17. So, next would be 7. Need to continue anymore because between Bravo and Charlie, ang sunod po is 7. So, the answer should be 8705. 793. Number 16. Mr. Perez earned this amount from mango plantation. He also earned this amount from his poultry farm. How much did he earn in all? So from the word in all po, again, you need to get the sum of the given numbers. So we have here 27,895. And next would be 352,168. So you need to get the sum of the two. So again, the same process po kanina. I-compare mo by digit. So 5 plus 8, that is 13. Okay, pareho lahat. That is 16. So sino po yung eliminate natin dyan? Eliminate alpha and then 0. 1. So 0 po yung sunod. So eliminate po Charlie. So we are only left with Bravo and Delta. So Charlie has been eliminated. So 1 plus 7 plus 2, that is 0 again. So, sino po yung 0 din dyan? So, we have between Bravo and Delta. So, this time po, we are going to choose Bravo na po. So, the answer is 380,063. So, letter D po is mali. Bravo yung sagot natin. Let's go to number 17. Simplify. 1/3 plus 2/5 minus 2 over 6. So, basically po, ang ginagawa nyo dito, you get the LCD. But no, common sense will tell you, lahat ng fraction po is hindi pa in lowest form. So, asaan dyan hindi lowest form? Si 2 over 6. So, 2 over 6 po, lowest form mo yan, magiging 1/3. So, basically po, ang mangyayari, 1/3 plus 2/5 minus 1/3. So, ito po is magiging 0. Ang number lang po is 2/5. So, the answer is letter delta 18. What is the result when negative 40 is subtracted from the sum of positive 50 and negative 40? Again, there are two operations po yung gawin dito. First, you need to get the sum. Kaninong sum ang gustong kunin mo? Si 50 plus negative 40. And you need to get also the difference because may word po na subtracted. So, unahin mo natin yung sum. So, 50 plus negative 40, since unlike sign po sila, by base from the lactum, kailangan mag-minus. So, 50 minus 40, magkano yung sum natin? That is equal to 10. Na ngayon, sabi dito, negative 40 subtracted from the sum. No? So, ang sum natin po is 10. Negative 40 subtracted from the sum. So, basically po, subtracted, minus tayo. So, nangyayari po kasi dito is that some of you, hindi po alam yung word na ito na from. At yung ginagawa po mismo, negative 40 minus 10 kagad. So, nangyayari po, naging negative 50, which is mali. Or some of you din po, ang ginagawa po is 10 minus 40. Where in fact, the answer is negative 30. Mali din po siya. Bakit po, sir? So, since the word is from, ibig sabihin ng from po, galing. Subtracted po, kukunin. So, kukunin, galing. Kung subtracted by, ito dapat ang result. No? Negative 40 subtracted by 10. So, ito dapat ang result natin. The problem, since from 1, kailangan natin balik na rin. So, si negative 40, kukunin mo galing sa 10. So, your minuend is 10 and your subtrahend is negative 40. So, ang mauna dapat si 10, tapos ang sunod is 40. The problem lang, yung iba, negative 30 yung sagot at mali po yan. Bakit? Hindi nyo pa na-consider ang negative sign ni 40. You subtract it directly, 10 minus 40, where in fact si 40 is negative mismo. At yung operation is minus. So, 10 minus negative 40. So, therefore po, double negative yan at magiging positive. So, the answer po is 10 plus 40 equal to 50. So, the answer po dapat is 50. Okay, we are now number 19. This year, mother paid this amount for Sharon's tuition fee. Last year, she only paid this amount for Sharon's tuition fee also. How much was the increase in the tuition fee? So, may trick po dito na kung saan po ginamit yung word na increase. So, increase po, that means to say, mag-add dapat. The problem nga lang is hindi niya gi-compare niya po yung tuition fee ng last year at saka this year. So, when we talk about comparison, we're talking about difference. So, huwag kayong palinlang po sa trick word not increase. Kasi some of you would going to add. So, upon comparison po, we need to get the difference. So, 18,278 minus 16,794. So, if we're going to subtract these two, the answer would be 1,484. So, by just using po the subtraction method talaga. So, the answer po for this item is letter Charlie. Number 20. Find the value of this expression. So, as you can see po, medyo nakakalula ito. Kasi sa dami ng parentheses na kailangan i-consider mo. But may technique po ito na kailangan natin gawin. No? Hindi po pwede na kung saan po time-consuming ka mag-solve sa exam. So, actually po, you can do it. Madali po siya. So, first, let's copy muna. So, basically po, mayroon kayo makitang common dito at yung common po sa loob mismo ng parenthesis. So, what you will do, you do the operation muna by following PEMDAS, parenthesis mauna. So, 18 tapos 50 minus 3 times 50 minus 6 times 50. So, yung ibang ginagawa, you multiply first, multiply saka nag-minus. Eh, mahirapan kayo yun kasi you're going to multiply, you get a bigger number na. At mag-subtract pa, dalawang beses ka pa mag-subtract. So, what you will do, ganito. Since common si 50 po, you need to factor out. Ibig sabihin factor out po, ano yung common na factor, ilabas mo siya. That is 50. At the remaining po, si 50, tanggalin si 50, magiging 80 na lang. Tanggalin po si 50, magiging 3 at minus 6. As you can see po, mas simpler yung itsura niya. So, we're going to minus lang po yung sa loob. 18 minus 3, that is 15 minus 6, that is 9. So, the answer would be 50 times 9. At simplify mo yan, multiply mo yan, the answer is 450. The answer po is bravo. 21. What is the result when 3.07 is added to itself 12 times? 3.07, i-add mo to itself 12 times. Now, your answer is bravo, 36.84. Mali. Bakit, sir? Hindi ibig sabihin po 12 times yung sinabi dyan, i-times 12 mo na kagad. No. Because the process po na i-repeat 12 times is yung pag-add sa sarili niya. For example, 3.07, nag-add ka na? Wala pa. So therefore, hindi pa counted yan. So, the moment you add it to itself, 3.07, o ilang 3.07 na yung i-add mo, dalawa na. But ilang beses ka pa nag-add? Once pa. So in this case, once ka pa nag-add, pero ang 3.07, dalawa na. So whatever the result dito, add na naman. Plus again, 3.07. O ilang beses ka na nag-add? Dalawang beses na. But this time, ilang 3.07 ng present? Tatlo. So ipatuloy mo yan, whatever the result again, plus again ng 3.07, ilang beses ka nag-add? Tatlong beses ka lang nag-add. So you're added po thrice pa. But then, ang 3.07 na present, kaapat na. So, if we're going to do it po hanggang 12 times, ibig sabihin po, 12 times ka mag-add, pero lahat na present na 3.07 is hindi 12 lang, but there are 13. Kasi 12 na beses mong gawin ito, plus i-add mo pa ito, yung first number mismo na una. So, therefore, mangyari dapat 3.07 times 13. And the answer would be 39.91. And that is letter delta. O yan po yung trick dyan. So, careful kayo sa exam. Akala mo, no, mag-solve ka, nakita mo yung sagot, bravo, happy ka na. But yun pala, patibong pala yan. Let's go to number 22. In a recent newspaper drive campaign, 6 students brought 4 and 1/3 kilogram of newspaper each. 10 students brought 3 and 2/5 kilogram each. And 8 students brought 5 and 1/4 kilogram each. How many kilograms of newspaper did they bring all together? So that means to say all together po, kailangan nating mag-add. So basically po, if we're going to add the fraction, so that is 3 and 2/5, next would be 4 and 1/3, then followed by 5 and 1/4. So sa fraction po, pwede mo mismo i-add muna yung mga whole number. So 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is 12. No? Then you add na yun po yung mga fractions mismo. So by adding the fraction, that is 2/5 plus 1/3, plus 1/4. Since the similar fractions po sila, you need to consider the LCD. And the LCD po is 60. So 60 divided by 5, that is 12. 12 times 2, 24. 60 divided by 3, that is 20. Times 1, that is 20. 60 divided by 4, that is 15. Times 1, that is 15. And 24 plus 20 plus 15, the answer will be 59. So 59 over 60. Now, anong option yan? Alpha. The problem po, mali yan. Bakit, sir? Because take note, yung 10 estudyante, yun po yung dala nila. Hindi ibig sabihin po, yun po yung total dala po ng 10 estudyante, but the work is each. Sa 10 estudyante na yan, kada isa sa kanila, they brought 3 and 2/5. They brought 5 and 1/4, so on and so forth. Ibig sabihin, you need to multiply first before tayo maka-add. So therefore, this solution po is mali. So kailangan nating i-multiply muna saka tayo mag-add. So, this 3 and 2/5 should be multiplied to 10. Ito should be multiplied to 6 and this time po, this is 8. So, palang gagawin po is improper muna yung sa loob ng parenthesis or yung fraction, mixed fraction, convert to improper. So, equal yan sa 10. O, convert. 3 times 5, 15 plus 2, 17 over 5. So, yun. So, 4 times 3, that is 12 plus 1, 13. So, 16, 13 over. Then, lastly, 4 times 5, 20 plus 1, 21. So, 8, 21 over 4. But dito po, hindi ito masyadong mahirap. Bakit, sir? You can cancel it. Cancel mo yan, 2 na lang. Cancel mo yan, 2 na lang. 8 and 4, cancel mo yan, 2. So, this is equal to 34. This is equal to 20. 6, this is equal to 42. Add mo lahat yan, the answer is 102. At anong option pa sa 102? That would be Bravo. So the answer for this item is Bravo. Okay, let's go to number 20. How many dozens of table placemats can rows buy with 2 20/50 if each cost 12.25? So you're going to use what operation? Division po dito. So you divide 2 20/50 by 12.25. So, since may decimal point po yan, move 2 places and move 2 places sa kabila. So, this is 1, 1, 2, 2, 5, 0, 8, tapos maging 11 na lang, 9. So, 980 po yung remaining. So, 9,800. So, that would be 8. So, 8 times 5, 40. Times 2, 16, 20. 8 times 2, 16, 18. And 9. So, 0 the remainder. So, there are 18 pieces po ang pwede niyang mabili. But since the question po is dozen, bawal pong sagot si Charlie. At ibong yung Charlie na option dyan. Kasi 18 pero dozens po yung sabi. 18 po pieces po yan. But then again, remember, ang 1 dozen is just equivalent to 12 pieces. So, therefore, 18 pieces po is equivalent to 1 and 1/2 dozen. Or just equal to 1.5 dozens. 4, which is equal to this expression, 30 minus negative 4 divided by negative 3. Okay? So, let's try to analyze. So, by using PEMDAS, sino mauna? Yung sa loob ng parenthesis. So, negative, magiging positive na po yan. 4 times 20, 80. 4 times 3, that is 12. So, 80 plus 12, 92. Ano ginawa mo, sir? O, dito, you can do it mathemata method. Usually kasi, ginagawa nyo 23 times 4. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 2, 8. Plus 1, 92. So, basically po, medyo mabagal tayo dyan. So, what you will do, you can do it mathemata by place value po kayo. Since ang 23 is just equal to 20 plus 3, you may multiply 4 by 20 and 4 by 3. So therefore, by mathematical system, ito is 23 man. So therefore, 20 and 3, 4 by 20, 80, 4 by 3, 12. So 80 plus 12, that is 92. So 30 minus 92 minus 2. So bakit minus yun? Positive ba? Remember, ang sa labas po na sign is negative. So equal divided by negative 3. So basically po, the answer is negative 94 over negative 3, and this is negative 64 over negative 3. But since negative po yan, makancel yung dalawa na yan. So mangyayari po, 64 divided by 3, convert mo yan sa mixed fraction. So there are 21 and 1/3. So the answer po is anong option? That would be letter Bravo. Okay, next item po tayo, 25. Which of the following fraction is less than 1/3? So dapat maghanap po kayo ng number na kung saan po less than 1/3 po siya. Mas mali po sa 1/3. Now the problem with this is wala kayong calculator. So what you do is you convert everything to decimal. Ang problema po, medyo mabagal kayo dyan. Medyo mabagal tayo dyan kapag ganyan po yung solution natin. So you may compare fractions by using this technique. So remember this technique po para hindi kayo mahirapan during. So una, you compare it by pair. Pwede pong by pares po yung pag-compare natin. Okay? So the option po na una is alpha. 22 over 63, compare natin kay 1/3. So dito, ang technique ito is what we call the cross product technique. Marami pong gamit kasi ito. But dito, you need to multiply from bottom to top. Take to top, bottom mauna, going to top. So example, 3 times 22. O magkano yan? 66 yan. 63 times 1, bottom to top, that is 63. Now, this number is not the value of this fraction, but it corresponds to this fraction. Yung value na ito corresponds to this fraction. So, ibig sabihin, 66 is greater than 1/3. That means to say, it corresponds also that 22 over 63 is greater than 1/3. Na walang gamit ang calculator, malaman mo siya na mas malaki pa rin siya. Ang hanap natin is less than. Therefore, mali si alpha. How about si Bravo, sir? 15 over 46, i-compare mo kay 1/3. Again, cross product from bottom to top. 3 times 15, 45. So this is 45. 46 times 1, 46. So this number goes for this fraction. This number goes for this fraction. So 45 is what of 46? Less than. Ibig sabihin, 15 over 46 pala is less than the 1/3. So therefore, our answer is Bravo. So that is other way of solving. Instead na mag-decimal kayo. So kasi wala kayong calculator, medyo mahirap po.